Hey John, I need you to show us how to wear the secret belt. I mean the fashion belt in your Jane voice.
Ay. Okay. Okay. Actually, madali lang siyang isuot. Una, tatanggalin ko muna para makita niyo kung paano siya ilagay, ha? Yung dinesign natin si Fashion Belt. Ay, sorry ma'am. Nakalabas yung muscle. Dinesign natin si Fashion Belt talaga para mabilis siyang maisuot. Kasi nakasanayan natin Fashion Belt lace lang, no? Kaso mahirap siya isuot. Ngayon, dinesign natin na meron siyang zipper sa likuran kaparehas nung ating mga secret belt. So, kung paano siya isuot. Ay! Ma'am, ano? Yung ano ko. Sige. Ay, ma'am, hindi. No. Wala sa pamilya, ma'am, yung nagre-reklamo. Okay. So, ngayon, unahin niyo yung pinaka-hook para madali niyo masuot kahit hindi niyo siya hawak-hawak. Tapos, meron niyang zipper sa baba. Nothing to worry, ha? Meron niyang support na sobra para hindi maipit yung balat mo. Pag nalagay mo na, ikot mo na sa harap. And then, unti-unti mo siyang sisikipan. Pwede ka magsimula sa pinaka-ilalim. Yung maganda sa lacing system natin, ha? Isang hatak, higpit hanggang ilalim. So, hindi mo na kailangan isa-isahin katulad ng traditional lace lang. Depende yan sa higpit na gusto niyo, ha? Okay natin. Ayun, diba? So, ngayon, para magkaroon siya ng konting disenyo, ayan, lagyan natin ng konting arte yung ating paglilace. So, lalagyan natin ng ribbon. Ayun. Ribbon na, di ba, ma'am?
Ayun.
Yan.
That's so pretty. Okay. Aww.
What is the difference between the fashion belt and the rest of the belts that we have? Please answer in English. Thank you.
Yes, because I believe the fashion belt is designed to express your passion in the other person at the same time to maintain your training in your waistline. And I thank you.
Wow. The difference between like the other belts between that one. So if you explain the fashion belt, I don't forgot to explain the rest of the belts.
Kumukulat na yung bangs niya.
Okay. Actually, Doris, okay, pag mahaba, di na kaya. Okay, pero I try my best. So, the fashion belt is designed to give more passionate. Ayan, design. Okay, so ayan, compared to secret belt. Ayan. So,
Tell me, what is secret belt?
ano daw?
What is the secret?
Secret belt is designed for secret your belt. Ano daw? Okay. Pwede na Tagalog, ha? Pwede na Tagalog. Okay.
English, answer in English.
Okay.
Okay.
So, secret belt, secret belt is designed for
Secret.
make it secret.
Michelle, what is my
Ayan.
Okay, 5 point to is a hardcore waist trainer. Okay.
Oh, sige.
Okay, 5 point to is a hardcore waist trainer. It targets your chan, puson, at waistline. It also helps to correct your posture.
John, what are you wearing? What's the black thing you're wearing? Is that a sweater suit?
Yes.
Talk about it, please.
Okay. Dolores, listen. This sauna suit is created to make it more sweaty. If you want to more sweat, sauna suit. But English kasi ba?
You think the sauna suit will make you
Sweat.
Yes.
John, kindly explain the hip resistance band. Michelle, kindly explain the foot band.
Okay. If your problem is your arm, if your arm is like that,
Wiggly.
If your arms is wiggle, okay.
if you want to work out, you can use our hook band. There's different types of level. We have extra light, we have medium, heavy, and extra heavy. It also gives you can use also
Kailan mo madali?
guys, ito.
Jay, kindly define and explain the product and then kindly demonstrate. So the workout that I want you to do with it is squats and jump squats.
Okay.
Free workout that you can do with bands. Kindly explain right now, please, Jay. You.
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity, ma'am. Okay, so this is the workout equipment that have to work out your glutes and leg parts. So for lower part, we have a 3 resistance for hip resistance band. So available for light, medium, and heavy. Since we are expert in this particular product, so we use the light resistance. Okay? So ayan, for beginners, so this is ideal, light resistance. Then if you are, magaling na. Okay? So ayan, pwede ka na you are going to medium and to heavy na. Okay? So now, since start pa lang light, so put the resistance between your legs. Okay, like this. Ayan. Ayan, in between your legs. And after that, do a squat formation. I like this. Okay. Put your body low. Like this.
Low. Down.
Okay. Lower.
Okay, stay there for a bit. Don't get up until I say so.
Yes.
At least we will discount that later Monday.
Yes. Okay, actually this my situation is very comfortable, ma'am. Bababang kasi.
Dahil dyan overbreeze ka.
A few inches later.
Kala nyo kahit wala ako sa studio, di kita mapapahirapan. Alam mo
Kaya mo yan, baby girl.